Greetings, fellow travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar, a stunning five-star resort nestled in the breathtaking paradise of Cayo Guillermo, Cuba. So, grab your virtual sunglasses and let's embark on this sun-soaked journey together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? The Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. From the standard rooms to the swim-out suites, each space is designed with comfort and style in mind. The standard rooms, spanning a generous 41 square meters, come equipped with all the modern amenities you'd expect from a luxury resort. We're talking air conditioning, satellite TV, and even a minibar that's restocked daily. But here's where it gets interesting. Upgrade to a sea view room, and you'll not only wake up to stunning ocean vistas, but also enjoy free access to the spa's wet areas and a 20% discount on other spa services. Talk about a room with a view and perks. Now, if you're feeling fancy, and let's face it, who isn't on vacation? The junior suites and full suites take luxury to the next level. With 57 and 88 square meters respectively, these spacious havens offer separate living areas, daily turn-down service, and VIP room amenities. And for those who like to make a splash, the swim-out suites come with their own private pool. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while dipping your toes in your personal oasis. Now that's what I call starting the day right. But wait, there's more. For families looking to create unforgettable memories, the family premium rooms are a dream come true. These 82 square meter sanctuaries come with a separate bedroom and living room, perfect for those moments when the kids are bouncing off the walls and you need a quiet corner to yourself. And speaking of kids, they'll be thrilled with the welcome gift of chocolates and balloons, while adults can toast to their vacation with a complimentary bottle of rum. Now that's what I call a warm Cuban welcome. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, half the fun of vacation is indulging in delicious cuisine. The Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar doesn't disappoint in this department. The main buffet restaurant is a culinary adventure in itself, offering a smorgasbord of international and local Cuban dishes. From fresh seafood to Creole specialties, your taste buds will be doing the salsa with every bite. And the best part? It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, so you can stuff yourself silly all day long if you're so inclined. No judgment here. We're all friends on vacation. But if you're in the mood for something a little more refined, the resort boasts 3 a la carte restaurants that'll make your inner foodie swoon. Fancy some Mediterranean cuisine? They've got you covered with a restaurant specializing in fresh seafood and local ingredients. Craving sushi? The Japanese restaurant will satisfy your raw fish fantasies. And for those wanting to dive deep into Cuban culture, the Creole restaurant serves up traditional dishes that'll have you saying delicioso faster than you can say mojito. Speaking of mojitos, let's not forget about the bars. With 5 watering holes spread across the resort, you're never far from your next tropical concoction. From the lobby bar to the beach bar, and even a swim-up bar, because who doesn't love sipping a piña colada while partially submerged, you'll find plenty of spots to quench your thirst. And for those who appreciate the finer things in life, there's even a cigar bar where you can puff on some of Cuba's finest while sipping on premium spirits. Just remember, what happens in the cigar bar stays in the cigar bar. Now, let's dive into the pools and beaches because let's be honest, that's probably why you're considering this tropical paradise in the first place. The Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar boasts 3 pools, including a children's pool with a water park. So while you're lounging by the main pool, cocktail in hand, the little ones can splash around to their heart's content. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try out the water slides? There's no age limit on fun, after all. But the real star of the show is the beach. Picture this. Pristine white sand stretching as far as the eye can see, lapped by crystal-clear turquoise waters. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to quit your job and become a professional sandcastle builder. And the best part? The hotel provides complimentary beach towels, sun loungers, and even beachside snacks and drinks. So you can spend your entire day alternating between swimming, sunbathing, and snacking, aka the holy trinity of beach vacations. For those who can't sit still, even in paradise, the resort offers a variety of water sports and activities. From snorkeling to windsurfing, there's plenty to keep you entertained. And if you're feeling particularly brave, why not try your hand at some non-motorized water sports? It's all fun and games until someone falls off a paddleboard, and then it becomes hilarious vacation memories. Now, let's talk about relaxation, because what's a luxury resort without a top-notch spa? The Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar Spa offers a wide range of treatments designed to melt away your stress faster than the Cuban sun melts ice cream. From massages to facials and even yoga and Tai Chi classes, you'll leave feeling more zen than a Buddhist monk on vacation. And with facilities like a sauna and steam room, you can sweat out all those poolside cocktails, just in time to indulge in a few more. For those who prefer to keep active on vacation, you strange people, the resort also boasts a well-equipped fitness center. Open from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., it's perfect for early birds and night owls alike. And if you're feeling particularly motivated, you can even book a personal training session. Because nothing says vacation like doing burpees at sunrise, right? Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be pleased to know that the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar has thought of everything to keep them entertained. The Kids Club is a veritable wonderland for children, offering a range of activities from arts and crafts to mini discos. Open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., it's the perfect solution for when you need some adult time. And let's be honest, after a few days of family bonding, a little alone time is as precious as that last sip of mojito. But what about the surrounding area? I hear you ask. Well, fear not, intrepid explorers. The hotel is perfectly positioned to take advantage of all that Cayo Guillermo has to offer. Just a stone's throw away is the famous Pilar Beach, known for its stunning beauty and calm waters. It's the perfect spot for a romantic stroll or a family picnic. And for the underwater enthusiasts, the nearby coral reef system is a snorkeler's paradise. Just remember to bring your waterproof camera. Those tropical fish are real posers. Now, let's talk about the overall experience at the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar. With an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars across multiple platforms, it's clear that this resort is doing something right. Guests consistently rave about the cleanliness, service, and location. One happy traveler gushed, "The hotel is beautiful, and the staff is very friendly. The food is excellent, and the beach is stunning." High praise indeed. But let's keep it real, no hotel is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the resort could improve on the variety of activities for adults. So, if you're the type who needs constant entertainment, you might want to pack a few extra books or download some podcasts. But hey, isn't the whole point of a beach vacation to do absolutely nothing? One of the unique selling points of the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar is its commitment to sustainability. The resort implements various eco-friendly initiatives, from energy-efficient practices to waste management programs. So you can sip your cocktails and lounge by the pool with the smug satisfaction of knowing you're vacationing responsibly. Mother Earth thanks you. The resort also shines when it comes to events and entertainment. With live performances and shows scheduled throughout the week, your evenings will be as lively as your days are relaxing. From music and dance to theatrical shows, there's something to suit every taste. And during holiday seasons, the resort goes all out with special celebrations. Imagine ringing in the new year with a Cuban-style fiesta. Now that's a party you won't forget in a hurry. In terms of booking, the process is as smooth as the Cuban rum you'll soon be sipping. You can book directly through the hotel's website or through popular third-party platforms. And keep an eye out for special promotions and packages. The resort often offers all-inclusive deals and special honeymoon packages. Just remember to check the cancellation policy before you book, because let's face it, life happens, and sometimes plans change. So there you have it, folks, a comprehensive look at the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar. From its luxurious rooms and mouth-watering restaurants to its stunning beach and top-notch amenities, this resort offers a slice of Cuban paradise that's hard to resist. Whether you're a couple looking for a romantic getaway, a family in need of some fun in the sun, or a solo traveler seeking relaxation, this place has got you covered. Remember, life's too short for mediocre vacations. So why not treat yourself to a stay at the Iberostar Origin Playa Pilar? After all, you deserve a little luxury, a lot of relaxation, and maybe 1 or 5 Too many mojitos. Just don't forget to send us a postcard, or better yet, save us a spot by the pool. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.